Question 10. Again, I've done a lot of thinking to try and think which way round to do this. I've played about with some different ideas. What I'm going to do is I'm going to square this first of all. And the clue to do that was actually in the question. It did say leave your answer in the form y squared equals. The other thing I'm going to do is remember that cos squared plus sine squared equals 1. And so cos squared t is 1 minus sine squared t. And that gives me that cos squared t will equal 1 minus, now what's sine squared? It's just that one divided by 25. So cos squared t is 1 minus y squared over 25. Or putting it all in one fraction, 25 minus y squared over 25. And I think I've got enough now to deal with this. So x is equal to, now rather than writing tan squared, I'm going to go with sine squared over cos squared. Sine squared is this one here, so y squared divided by 25, divided by cos squared, which I've got 25 minus y squared over 25. Don't forget the plus 5 as well. So looking at that fraction, there's 25s there that can cancel. So I've got y squared over 25 minus y squared. And look, why not we just take away 5 from both sides to make it a little bit tidier? We'll just do that. The question said leave it with the y squared on its own though. So we now need to do some tidying up. I'm going to multiply this up here. So I've got 25 minus y squared, lots of x take away 5, equals y squared. I'm going to multiply this out. 25x minus 125 minus xy squared minus 5y squared equals y squared. Let's add all the y squareds over here. So I've got 6y squared plus xy squared. And here I've now just got 25x minus 125. Now I'm going to factorize and divide. So I've got 25x minus 125 divided by 6 plus x. And did you spot the error? See, the error's here, isn't it? The error's there. It's getting late. It should have been a plus there. So when I took that away, it should have been minus 4 here. And so this should have been x minus 4 on the bottom there. And maybe we just leave that as 25 x minus 5 divided by x minus 4. Sorry about that. So just thinking about the range as well, the domain and the range, we're saying that the t values are 0 to pi over 2. So for the x values, and then plus 5, so the lowest that would ever be is, the lowest the tan squared would ever be would be 0. So this will always be bigger than 5. So x is greater than 5 is the domain, and the y is a sine, 5 times the sine. So the y values will go from 0 to 5. There's the sine graph there. Starts at 0, goes up to 5.